How are you? Oh, wow, you are fine. That's great. Are you ready to start? Okay, that's nice. So let us start. Again, my name is Teacher Lena. May I know what is your name, please? Simon. Hello, Simon. It's nice to meet you. Simon. Yes, hello. Simon, can you see the screen? Okay, so before we start, Simon, I will ask you a question. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food, Simon? What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Do you like to eat pizza? Oh, you like to eat pizza. How about a donut? Do you like to eat donut? No, you don't like to eat donut. Okay. So, all right. Very good. So let us start. Okay. So for today, Simon, we are going to talk about little or small animals. Okay. And see what do they like to eat. All right. So, Teacher Jai has rewards here. So, please answer it, my questions. All right? Okay. All right. So, let us start. So, here. Do you see this picture, Simon? Okay, what is that? What is that? Do you know what is the name of this? So, that is a caterpillar. Can you say? Caterpillar. Okay. So, what is the caterpillar doing? What is the caterpillar doing? Oh, it is what again? Can you repeat? Okay, Can you say? It is. It is eating the leaf. Yes. Okay, very good. So the caterpillar is eating the leaf. Okay. So, have you seen a caterpillar, Simon? Wow. Okay, where did you see a caterpillar? Where have you seen the caterpillar? Okay, so you have seen a caterpillar. Can you say this one? I have seen a caterpillar. Can you say that one? This one? Can you read this one? I have seen a caterpillar. Very good. Great job. So you have seen a caterpillar. So did you know, Simon, that when a caterpillar grows, it becomes a butterfly? Have you seen a butterfly? Okay. So this is a butterfly. Wait for a while. I will show you a picture of a butterfly. Okay. All right. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. All right. So do you see it? That is a butterfly. Okay, very good. So that is a butterfly. So again, when a caterpillar grows up, it will become a butterfly. Yes, very cool, right? Okay, so let us move forward. Okay. So let us continue. Okay, so very good. How about this one? Do you know what is this? Oh, this is a ladybug. Okay, one more time. Ladybug. Okay, very good. Can you please repeat this one? This is a ladybug. Okay, very good. You did great. One more time. This is a ladybug. Very good. Wow, great job, Simon. Here's your star. Do you see the star? Very good. So, what? So, a ladybug, Simon, is it big or is it small? Okay, very good. So, can you please say this one? The ladybug is is small. Okay, one more time. The ladybug is small. Okay, very good. The ladybug is small. Great job. So, how many ladybugs can you see? One, two, four. So there are many ladybugs. Okay. All right. So very good. Okay. So where does the ladybug live, Simon? Do you know where does the ladybug live? Yes. Where does it live? So ladybug. Oh no. Okay. The ladybug lives in the trees. Very good. One more time. The ladybug lives. Very good. Okay, great job. Very good, Simon. So that is a ladybug. Okay, so let us go to our next part. Okay, so we are going to make sentences on this part. Okay, so we are going to make sentences. All right, so here, wow. What do you see, Simon? Yes, food. There are food. So, what foods do you see? Hamburger, very good. What else? Hot dog, wow. Okay, other one? Ice cream. Ice cream. What else? Pizza. Okay, what else? What else is there? This one, what is this? It's a. Hello, Simon? Yes. So, what is that? What else? There are also donuts. Donuts. Very good. Donuts. Yes, so this is donut. Okay. All right. How about I see French fries. Yes, it's in between the hot dog and the donut. A hot dog and the burger. Okay, this one. That is a French fries. Okay. So, all right. So what else? What is beside the pizza? What is this? What is this? Do you know what is that? Yes, chicken. Okay, very good. So this is, or these are fried chicken. Okay, very good. What else? What is this? What is this? What is that? Do you know the name of that? That okay. That is a taco. Yes, a taco. Very good. Last one. Last one. What is this? What is this? Yes, very good. That is a popcorn. Great job. Okay. So, what is your favorite food here, Simon? I like, okay, hamburger. Okay. You like hamburger. Wow, that's delicious. Okay. All right. What else? Don't you like the French the ice cream? Oh, you also like the ice cream. Okay. And I like hamburger and ice cream. Very good. Okay. So, can you please say this one? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, and ice cream. Very good. So, that's it. Okay. So, which food did you not tried yet? Which food haven't not you haven't eaten yet? Or did you eat everything? Oh, the taco. All right, you haven't eaten the taco. So you can say, I haven't tried eating taco. Yes, very good. Okay, can you say that one again? I haven't tried. Wow, very good. Great job, Simon. Okay, so that's it. Very good. You know all the food. So can you please say the food again? Can you please tell me? Yes? Okay. Yes. Yes. Ice cream. Yes. Donuts. One more time. Donuts. Very good. Okay, next. Next to donuts, French fries. Fries. Very good. Okay. Okay, fried chicken. Very good. And last one, corn. Very good. Yay. Popcorn. Great job. Thumbs up for you, Simon. Yay. Very good. So you know all the names of the food. Great job. Okay, let us move forward. Okay, to the next slide. All right, here, Simon. What is this? What is this? Ah, okay. Can you say storage? Okay, one more time. Storage. Okay, very good. So, what is a storage? Do you know what's a storage, Simon? So, okay. So, a storage is a space. Okay, it is, yes, it is a space. Wait for a while. A space available for something. Okay,